We fishing today. We fishing today. We living today. Yeah, guys, we're in the middle of the forest. Yeah, my dad's trying to fish. It's pretty cold out here too. Luna's just chilling. Look at the dog. Let's try to catch a fish today, y'all. There's nothing.
It's been cold out.
Yep.
It's really cold.
Some of them are just hiding. Some of them are just dead. We had to run a marathon here.
Yeah. It was like 3 miles.
Yep.
We had to walk across the highway.
Yeah, we had to walk throughout the highway because there was just too many. There wasn't a different way.
There's only one way to get there.
Yeah. The other lake was frozen, so we got here. I'm surprised the water isn't frozen at all.
Yeah, I think the water's moving here.
Yeah, you're not gonna catch anything. Huh?
I think it's too cold, but we can always try.
Luna, come! Luna. Okay. There's so many current thorns out. Okay, new spot, new spot, new spot. New spot alert. Yeah, the fish are scared. When's the best time to go fishing? Okay. Look at this crown of thorn. This is a crown, but this don't got no thorns. This is a crown, no thorns. This is the worst crown of thorns ever.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah, crown of thorns. That's what they call it in Grow Garden. Ew. Ew, Pops. This is gonna be a family thing. We're not gonna be better than outdoor boys. I mean outdoor boys. What the?
Now we're gonna do some explorative eating later today too.
Yep, we're chilling.
We're gonna check out fences.
Yeah, check out fences. If you know, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know. We're gonna try some new stuff at fences that maybe we haven't tried before.
Yep, there's gonna be a lot of stuff at fences.
There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I'll show you some of it. Show you some of the stuff. Donnie, you gonna show them some of the stuff, right?
Yep.
You're gonna show them the food. You're gonna take them around. Show them all the stuff they sell. Expensive.
Yep, they sell a lot actually. They sell candy. They sell a lot. They sell breakfast. They sell. Why am I having an accent
Ribs.
now?
They sell chicken.
Yeah.
They sell. I get beef bacon and I get this dried.
Ooh, bacon.
Beef bacon. I get this dried beef. Ooh, dried beef. So good.
Fences is basically a place that you can get like a lot of stuff for cheap.
You gotta have the camera pointing at something. You have to be cautious. And maybe food.
I'm putting it at you, Dad. I'm putting it on you, Dad. Okay, guys. We gotta be careful so we don't get hit by thorns. Oh, crap. I forgot we have to do the whole thing back. Oh, my God. Oh, it stinks, bro. It stinks. Ow, ow, ow. the position it isn't. Guys, look. It's 1 inch away from my part. My weird part. It's about to hit me. Dad, can you save me? Dad, save me, bro. It's gonna hit me in my... Yo, God, please save me, bro. Okay. Okay. My dad's fishing right now. Whew. Hey, yo, do you not see in the position I am in? I should have stayed with you, Dad. Yeah, I'm showing it him. Dad, save me. Ow! Yeah, I'm showing them. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm fine. Never mind. I'm not. Yeah, I'm staying with my dad from now on. I just got hurt in every way ever. I'm gonna take a shower when I get home, cause it's everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. It's starting to snow. Is that a bee? Oh no. Everything is happening, bro. This is random. This looks like a normal branch. It's the crowns of thorns. Look, guys. Oh no! She just made it go off! Jesus! Dad, I'm scared. I'm actually hurt now. I'm probably bleeding. But I can't show that because it's just like, ow. Look at my skin, yo. No, I got but this. Luna, why didn't you just move it? Oh, I'm in the weird position now. Dad, help me. We got out! Yeah! Dad. Ow. I'm hurting. I'm actually hurting. I can't escape it. It's on me in every single way. Okay, Dad, give me a second. Yo, look! I'm stuck in a bush. Yeah, but the wrist is bad, Dad. Look. The wrist is bad. Look. Ow. Dad, I can't. Yeah, but I can't this time, Pop. There's a crown storm right next to me. Yep. I can. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, you're fine. Then step over. Look, you're about to step over right there. Step over there. Step over.
Woo, Dad, I'm about to fall.
Go step over that green thing right there. Just step over it.
Woo, guys. W Adonis in the chat. Ow!
That one under you.
Oh, it hurt. Okay.
That one under that.
We finished that. But next time, let's be more cautious about that. Because when I get home, I'm going to need to take every single one out.
They're in your pants, not in your legs.
They're in my...
Pants.
In my...
In your private part.
Yes. Like I...
They're in your nuggets. They're stuck in your nuggets.
Yeah, they're stuck in my chicken nuggets. My dad's fishing right now. But really, the truth is, I want to get out and get in the car. Look at him, bro. Go on down here. Holy. Oh, my head's itching. We have to walk back. Well, back in your days, you had to walk 50 miles to get to school, right?
Cool. In the snow.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
He will be chasing me the whole way.
Yeah, he always uses that as
He'll
an
be chasing me
excuse.
the whole way.
Yep.
Ready to beat me up.
He uses that as an excuse to yell at me. Hey.
That's what happens.
Yep, he's from the Bronx. He's from Philadelphia. He kind of doesn't act like it, but yeah. Okay. Okay, we have to walk all the way back there too.
Fine, nature. Just enjoy the nature. Listen. You hear that?
Yeah,
What's it sound like?
nature,
What do you hear? What do you actually hear?
water,
What else do you hear?
noise. I'm gonna record you even though he's not gonna catch any fish.
She was like, yo, I know you're not going to catch me. I'm just chilling with you. It's wintertime, so it's not all about catching fish.
Yeah, it's for the fun, like you always tell me. Yep. Can we go back? Cause I'm actually in pain right now. This is like when I go. What? That's.
I got a new ride. I'm going to try it out.
So are we about to walk all the way back?
Nah, you want to do the review?
Yeah.
You have to do the review.
Yeah. We're broke, by the way, chat. So please send $10 if you want to, or just subscribe, bro. If you think this video is good,
Yeah, if you think this video is good,
subscribe.
so this isn't an ad or a promotion, but I did get this new fishing rod.
But if you want to sponsor us, send us some money, and we got y'all.
Yeah, this is, and actually it's a Pusino fishing rod.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, Pusino, maybe you guys want to sponsor us or something. I mean,
Yeah.
we're just getting started.
We always go fishing
They'll be
and
able to get you, look, this is a Pusino bag. Look, Pusino bag, Pusino fishing rod. See that?
ooh, that bag is tough,
See that bag?
Pusino.
Look, it's got the straps. Look at that.
Ooh,
Got the
yeah.
double straps, got all these pockets. I'm all set up. I got a little bit of everything. And look, this fits right in the bag. And look, I just put here, take this camera so you can see. I just got a little spoon and just attached it to here because I kind of just wanted to see what this joint was going to be hitting for and how it was going to be as a new rod. So you guys get to see. Look, I'm going to bust it all the way out. Look at that. See how long it gets?
Yeah. That's
Went from
massive.
nothing to like 8
Blue
feet.
paper face.
I think I got the 8-foot one.
The 8-foot one.
Oh. Look, and I just got a killer.
Bro, you already got a cut. Wait, what is our dog doing, chat? Luna, can you get up back on land? Look at Luna. She's one step away from Okay. Lucino, sponsor us, please.
Try this out.
We need this.
Let me see how this is going to go. Ooh, look at that. That was pretty smooth.
Yeah, that was smooth. Lucino, if you want to sponsor us,
Yeah, you guys sponsor us, Lucino.
just send us like a band.
It's like a bando. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we kind of rich.
Look at the birds. There's the parrots, look. They're about to come down here.
Oh, birds, look. You see? Yep, they see. Okay. It's crazy out here, y'all. Yeah, I'm the worst recorder ever. Okay. He's not going to catch anything with it. Because, Lucino, it's winter. What do you expect, really?
But if I did catch something on the Lucino, how crazy would that be? Yeah, probably not the best one.
Yeah, all the fish are scared right now.
I'm gonna lose my lure. I'm gonna be really upset about that. I'm gonna put my Lucino away right now.
Yeah. His Lucino away,
Look
y'all.
how easy it gets put away. Look at this. Clean up on this thing is so easy. Look at this.
Wow, so easy.
Clean up. Easy clean. Look at that.
After this, can you hold it?
Yep.
Okay. Wow, look at the waterfall thing. Wow, this is cool. We don't know what this is. This is just a big thing. Luna, come. Whoa. I almost fell, y'all. Ooh. Well, let's make a subscribe goal for now. Let's make a subscribe goal. Oh, Mom's calling us. I can't. The thing, my gloves. It's not. Huh? Hello? Here.
Go ahead, talk to her.
I can't hear her. Hello? I can't hear her. My fingers aren't working right now on the thing.
That's okay.